Hi, this is Tracy Washington, leadership engagement consultant, strategist, speaker, and author. I just facilitated a courageous conversations workshop this morning for a global company. And one of the things that we talked about is being a reflection of what you decide to be each day. So when you're having a difficult conversation or a topic comes up that makes you a little uncomfortable, there are three things I want you to remember. One, you are in charge of your own emotions. So being emotionally aware of what you're feeling, what you're thinking, what you're sensing is important. Number two, have a strategy. I call it my back pocket strategy. Have a strategy for how you will show up in these situations. You know how we carry our cell phones in our back pocket, some of us. Well, you can go reach for that cell phone anytime you need it. When it rings, when you need to make a call, when you need to check your email, social media. So you have it at your disposal at all times. So have a strategy in your back pocket at all times on how you intend to show up with your interactions and relationships with people, even if the conversation is difficult. Number three, take responsibility and ownership for how you feel. Nobody makes you do anything. They made me mad. You make me blank. You fill in the blank. Nobody has that power to make you feel anything. Now, certainly, we do experience emotional responses and reactions to people, but our response and how we react to other people is 100% our responsibility. So we have to own that, because if we do the opposite, we give our power away to other people. So just wanted to kind of come in and recap some of the things we talked about today. If you think that this topic about courageous conversations, creating psychological safety, being in environments where you can be truthful and honest and have the conversations that are important to your business, to your organization, or even to just your relationships, please reach out. Would love to be able to connect with you and help. Have a great day and be courageous and be confident, but more importantly, be a good communicator.